Let's see here. I can use my same bag of tools for R410A and R32 systems.
So, there are a few different tools that you'll need for the R32 systems. One of which is a left-hand threaded adapter or hose to connect to the refrigerant tank. Not to connect to the heat pump itself. You still use a mini split adapter for the GRE equipment.
You would really want to make sure that your instruments that you have are compatible with, A2L refrigerants. Have a set of gauges for 14A, have a set of gauges for R32.
If I was in the field again, I might have a set of gauges that I use for new installations and a set of gauges that I use on the 30-year-old package unit on a, post office. So that I'm not sending old, gross stuff, green stuff, into my brand new equipment. Now, we definitely don't want R32 in our 410A systems. We don't want 410A in our R32 systems. Another one is to keep in mind on the oil, right? You've got mineral oil systems, you've got PVE systems, you've got POE systems. They're not supposed to be mixed. They're not supposed to have, the opposite oil placed in them. Having a set of gauges, for instance, that's got the A2O refrigerant on it, I think it's going to be really helpful, when you're trying to look at temperatures,
100%.
Pressures are pressures, right?
What do you think about leak detection? That's one key thing I think that's a little different. Like if you're using an electronic leak detector.
Yeah, it's I believe you're not capable to use the heated diode
Correct.
leak detections, right? Is that correct? Okay. So I got a leak detector for sale. If anybody
Anybody
wants-
needs one for
yeah.
410A or 22.